Russia says its forces have secured new gains on the battlefield, establishing control over Novodmitrovka in the Sumy region and claiming the liberation of another settlement with the same name in Donetsk. The announcement comes as Moscow highlights continued frontline momentum and honors troops involved in earlier advances like Ilyanovka. The battlefield activity is expanding across multiple regions. Russian forces report strikes and operations in Kharkiv, Kupiansk, Dobropolye, Zaporizhia, and Dnepropetrovsk, targeting Ukrainian troop rotations, artillery systems, and frontline positions. The Black Sea Fleet has also reportedly destroyed 6 Ukrainian uncrewed surface vehicles in the northwestern Black Sea. Drone warfare remains at the core of operations. Russian UAV units are intercepting enemy drones mid-air, striking launch sites, and eliminating command posts. Lancet loitering munitions and FPV drones are being used to hit artillery systems, equipment, and troop concentrations with precision across multiple sectors. On the ground, artillery and air defense units are supporting the advance. Howitzer crews are destroying UAV infrastructure, while Tor M2 systems are shielding Russian positions from incoming drone attacks. At the same time, logistics routes are being reworked under drone threat, with supplies now moved in stages using vehicles, motorcycles, and even on foot to reach frontline troops. Russia claims continued Ukrainian losses in manpower and equipment, alongside sustained strikes on military infrastructure. While these claims remain unverified, the update underscores a familiar pattern: a grinding, drone-driven war of attrition, where incremental gains, constant strikes, and adaptive tactics are shaping the battlefield.